How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can rate the stars of an online level in Geometry Dash. Now, these steps are going to be the same for mobile devices, computers, and anything installed of Geometry Dash. Now, you want to head over to the main menu, and here you want to click on the gear icon. And then, of course, you just want to look for the level that you want to rate. So in my case, I'm going to be viewing one of the best levels right here. Of course, you could also look for the search button. And then let's do something like trending. And now in here, you then want to look at the level that you want to rate. Now, it's as simple as clicking on the get it button. And then basically from here, you have the thumbs up and thumbs down. That's going to be the first way in order to do this. And simply, we have another space for the stars button, which is going to be around right here. Unfortunately, it is not available for all of the levels itself. So you could just go ahead and browse through multiple levels. And some levels will have that feature on which you can rate it with a stars itself. And for others, you don't have the ability to do that. So once again, you could just go ahead and search for levels that has that feature. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.